Listen what I say, listen what I say, listen what I say.
Hi guys, it's the first shifting season. Today we're gonna have our FISMOD lecture this morning, and then FISMOD laboratory later in the afternoon. It's gonna be a full week na puro aral lang, and I can't wait for this week to finish. Yes, yes. But Naps asked for a quick breakfast lang sa cafe. Bye, I'll see you there. Welcome to our cafe. This is a cafe tour for breakfast, guys. Baka magano ko. Sopas and barbecue. Nasa unahan ng pila si Naps, guys.
Sorry, nakamike siya, guys.
Nahihiya kasi ako, guys. Ayan, guys, yung sopas. Kita nyo ba yung sopas? Ito, guys. Ito yung barbecue. We have our sopas, guys. Finally, yeah, we have to study. Kasi 9:30 pa, guys, yung exam namin. So, we have to study pa habang nakain. Why, she's an early bird. Tapos, nabudol niya lang ako lumabas ng maaga, guys. We'll see you guys sa lab. Kapag magkakasama na kaming lahat. We'll see you there, guys. Hi, guys! Tapos lang namin sa lecture. Nagka-crash on na kami for lab. We're gonna die! We're gonna die!
I'm gonna die.
Nakatapos lang namin sa lecture, guys, and we did not do great. Kapag na-luminous ka na, you like yung fairness ng channel. Paano yung ultrasound?
Oo, tirain yun. 5 to 6 kapag break.
Guys, nag ba yung HMP? Ha? Oo. Ano yung iyakan?
Ano pinapractice mo? Rapport.
Welcome to PT Chris channel.
Pwede ah.
Guys, we don't know anymore. Guys, first practicals namin.
Superficial 3.5.
Yes.
Pag ano?
Deep.
Pag deep 1.
1.5. Hopefully matandaan namin lahat na kailangan namin matandaan. Hi guys, it's currently Tuesday. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kahapon because after nung practicals namin, super tired na talaga. And dumiretso kami ng library to study. Kasi sa library naman, nakatulog din ako. And then, last night, wala, nag-aral lang talaga ako all throughout the night. So, wala akong time masyado for other things talaga. Sobrang busy and sobrang nakaka-drain itong first exam week namin. That's why, siguro, naninibago pa din ako sa feeling kasi ngayon na lang ulit eh. We're gonna have our next exam at 2:15 p.m. and that's for research lecture. And then after that, magre-review na ulit hanggang madaling araw because the following days are much heavier. Mas mahihirap na yung exam. So, continue lang yung grind. Self-date today. Maybe self-date. More on self-study day. Kasi nasuspend yung class namin due to transport strike. So right now, I went home. Pero yung quiz namin, it will resume sa Saturday and sa Monday. That's why I have to study for the Saturday quiz. Kasi tomorrow, maraming events sa school. So, mawawalan ako ng time to study.
hindi pa ako finished actually, but it's already 7 p.m. and kanina pa ako guys nandito. And I wanna go home kasi baka mapagalitan na ako ng parents ko. So, I'm just gonna go home and continue studying sa house. Sana hindi ako antokin. Bawal ako antokin kasi kailangan ko mag-aral. So, hopefully matapos ko siya. Here's the fit, by the way. Very comfy fit. I'm just wearing a black cardigan and then a black tank top, tapos sweatpants kasi super lamig dito sa Starbucks. Anyway, I'm gonna go home na. Ingat sa akin.
Hi guys, I'm home. And I bought takoyaki. Before tayo mag-aral ulit, kakain muna tayo ng ating takoyaki. This will be our dinner na. Mura lang to guys. Looks so good. Kita nyo ba? Wait, I'll show you.
Guys, nakapasok na kami.
At kung saka...
Yun, ready na siya. Nag-concert. Concert na siya mag-isa.
Mag-aaral na po kami sa live.
Yes, mag-aaral lang kami. Hindi po kami makikijoin dito. Mag-aaral lang kami sa live. And guys, super daming tao. Oh my gosh. So excited. Super daming tao, guys. These are all Tomasians. Nakatambay lang kami. At taga-aral. Kasi may quiz. May exam kami bukas. So, nag-aaral sila.
Once in a lifetime experience.
We want to enjoy, guys.
We're enjoying.
Pero like,
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Subscribe to our channel.
loyal son.
Mission powered by
Grabe ang budget, guys.
Super Fiber X.
So amazing. Okay, guys. We're gonna go to our pwesto.
Vloggers in there.
Where's yours?
You're not gonna cover the event today?
I don't know. Let's see later. Okay. We're gonna go to our area na, guys. So many tao. Alright. Pizza, you okay? He's not okay.
Sana pag nag-register, guys, ang balita sa amin, cancel na something.
I hope so. I'll be happy, but I don't know if that will happen. Upo muna. Say hi. Upo muna kami, guys, kasi mamaya pa mag-start eh. So, yeah.
bukas! Basang-basa kami guys! Grabe guys, basang-basa kami! Gago yung mga ako namin! Go, State! Go, State! Go, State! Go, State! Go, 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 go! That's Sarah G, guys!
Minsan din akong tumapak sa universidad na ito, High School. At mahal na mahal ko ang UST at ang mga naging kaklase ko noon. Miss na miss ko at pinangarap ko.
Look at my legs, guys! Grabing painting naman yan.
I have something to post sa weekend.
I'm just gonna post the U up.
I have something to post sa weekend, guys. Yay! But that's not the U up. We're at lunch, guys. We're having lunch bago sumama sa NSK na! Yes. Really?
Kasi lahat mauuna sa prank. Simple lang yun.
Ano yun? Andiyan naman sila Toby, sila Rico, sila Marla.
So, ano po pangalan ninyo?
Ako po si Mavi.
Ilan taon?
Okay po, Ma'am Mavi. So, ang gagawin po natin po today ay subjective interview. So, I'm just going to be asking questions about yourself. And, ano po yung kanilang nakalagay po? So, may high blood pressure ba kayo? Diabetes po ba siya? Asthma po ba? Right. So, that's good to know. So, bakit po kayo nakaka-journey?
Kasi na-fracture ako. One half of the session.
Suspect na naman.
Nanonood po ako na. Kaya nag-Candy Crush.
Tapos ako, titip na rin ako
We're down to our last exam, guys. Last. Finally, after 2 weeks of suspension and everything.
Pwede mo ngayon?
God bless us. Thank you for shifting.
Ano? Okay naman. Ano ba ito? Ay, hindi sinabi na yun.
Anong gusto? Napilitan lang ako. Hi guys, we're here in Hicampa.
Fiesta ba?
Gaganyan talaga.
We're gonna food trip after our final exam. Sobrang gutom na kami. We're so hungry. So hungry guys. Hi guys. We're gonna eat sa James and Che. And then we're gonna see later kung ano pang gusto namin kainin.
Hindi kumain dati. Kahit tatlo.
Oo nga. Nung nag-jogging tayo, dito tayo
Dinner dito.
We're here guys at James and Che. Parang favorite namin tong tatlo. Naps. I got dalawang barbecue, tatlong isaw, isang dugo.
Guys, ito lang yung kainan na ano, na hindi ko titigan yung presyo.
Yeah. It's amazing.
That's a financially capable woman.
Yeah. I have 2 barbecue and then 5 isaw. I love isaw. Umibili siya na inumin guys. Ayaw magbukas ng Gcash niya.
Annyeong guys!
Mga kaibigan ko. Diyan lang kayo ah.
Yeah.
We're here guys sa tapat. Look at them.
Guys!
Why?
Guys!
Why naps?
Most embarrassing shit to ever happen.
What's embarrassing?
Guys, pag ano siya, hindi kami nagpansin.
Para silang high school.
Tinignan ko siya, guys.
Parang bumagal yung oras eh.